Welcome to AI Syndicate. If you're here, you're ready to unlock the future and to build something meaningful, profitable, and sustainable using AI. This channel is where AI meets business, where the tools of tomorrow are put into the hands of everyday creators, side hustlers, and aspiring entrepreneurs. So what exactly can you expect here? At AI Syndicate, we're all about showing you how to build side hustles and create streams of income through the power of AI. No technical skills needed, no gimmicks, just real, actionable insights and strategies you can start applying right away. Whether you're looking to create AI-generated music, automate YouTube channels, or build faceless Instagram and TikTok pages, we have you covered. We'll dive into every aspect of AI-driven businesses, giving you the tools and tips you need to start strong. We're building something special here, not just a channel, but a community of like-minded people, all committed to creating real, lasting success with the help of AI. Inside the AI Syndicate, you'll find more than tutorials. You'll find a network of people on the same journey. So, if you're ready to master AI, build a powerful side hustle, and create a more automated, profitable future for yourself, hit subscribe. Join us here on YouTube, and if you're looking to go deeper, sign up for our exclusive AI Syndicate community. It's a place to unlock knowledge and make serious moves in the world of AI-driven business. This is just the beginning. Welcome to the Syndicate, where we don't just talk about the future, we build it. I'll see you in the next video.